Forgotten username recovery failed on Sold Edge fix. If you've been stuck trying to recover your Sold Edge username without success, here's a surprising truth. Sold Edge doesn't store or manage your personal banking credentials directly. It's a financial data aggregator, a secure connection bridge that allows your apps and banks to share financial information safely. So, if you try to recover a username directly through Sold Edge, the process will always fail. To fix this, you first need to identify which app or institution uses Sold Edge for your account connection. Sold Edge partners with banks, budgeting apps, and financial platforms worldwide. So, your credentials likely belong to the app that first asked for your bank connection, not Sold Edge itself. Go to that specific app or bank's login page and click Forgot Username. Complete the recovery process, usually involving your registered email or phone number. Once your username is recovered there, Sold Edge will automatically reconnect your data the next time you log in. If you don't remember which service you used, search your email for terms like Sold Edge or Bank Connection. This will usually point you to the right partner app. In some cases, recovery issues also happen if your contact details have changed or your bank recently updated its login system. If that's the case, log into your bank directly, verify your credentials, and then reauthorize Sold Edge in your connected app. And if you still can't find the root cause, reach out to Sold Edge's customer support team. They can confirm which partner app is linked to your account, helping you recover your access faster. In short, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Sold Edge, don't panic, it's not a system bug. It just means you're trying to recover from the wrong source. Go through your original bank or connected app, and your Sold Edge connection will sync right back.